Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab to A10, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, we will need to open up settings. From here, once it's open, actually loads up, there we go. You want to scroll down to backup and reset, and then the last option here is factory data reset. When you tap on it, it will give you a message that performing this will remove things like your Google account, system app, data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data, along with accounts at the bottom. A little bit more easier way to digest this, it basically removes everything from the device that has been put on it past the setup. Once you set up your device, anything later on, it's just going to be completely removed. And if there's anything that you'd like to keep, you might want to back it up this data beforehand, because once you tap on the reset tablet and then erase everything, the data will be completely gone. That being said, assuming you have already backed it up or you don't want to, tap on then erase everything and the process will begin. Now this will probably take a couple minutes, and once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And sorry for the blurry camera, the autofocus doesn't really work well when the screen is black. So and as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.